There's another very good reason for living in the now, but it's a secret. Now, if I tell you the secret, you can't unknow the secret. And if you know the secret, it will change your life forever. It will change forever how you see the world and understand everything. Are you sure you want to know? Now, if I tell you the secret, you can't unknow the secret. And if you know the secret, it will change your life forever. It will change forever how you see the world and understand everything. Are you sure you want to know? If you don't want to know, switch off now. But if you do want to know the secret, are you ready? The secret is there is only now. Is he nuts? There is only now? Let that sink in. There is only now. It was now when you were born, and it'll be now on your 85th birthday. The sun comes up, the sun goes down, now. The hands on your clock go round, now.
I'm filming this in the now. And even though many months or even years may have passed, you are watching this in the now. I'm filming in the now, and you're watching in the now.
There never has been, and never will be, any other moment than this one. Now is all that exists. The past and the future do not exist anywhere other than as thoughts in your head. Whoa! Just bear with me with this. Now is the only thing that's real. The past only exists as a memory. It only exists when you remember it. And the future is a really terrible guess. The past and the future only exist in your mind. The only thing that is ultimately real is this present moment, the here and now.